So what's up, my people? It's your boy King here once again with another video. So this particular project is not a new project. So I guess some of you must have heard about this Athene network, but this is just for the view for the people that are not yet aware about it, or maybe you have heard about it but you didn't take it serious. I'm just making this video today for you guys to see it and also explain one or two things I know about the platform, the project, and then introduce it to you guys so that you guys can be doing it. For those of you that don't know about it, it can be doing it. So first of all, once you follow the link in the description of this video, sign up and other things, it's going to lead you to where you download this particular project called Athene network. So you download it from your Play Store or your Apple Store. So what you have to do is to be mining it for I think 24 hours. So this is the mining state here. This is my first video on this particular project, so it's just the introduction, so I won't give too much information here, and I'm just not going to waste your guys time, so I'm going to do it here. So as you can see, my mining it gives me 1.4 Athene this in every single time, so Athene gem every single day. So what I have to do now, as you can see, I'm having 33.07 something in this particular place. So anytime that I come over to this app, I always click on this particular place that says claim. So for the next 11 hours 59 minutes, or let's call it 12 hours, they're going to be giving me another extra gem to earn. So after the mining, the next thing you have to do is to go over to this particular place that says streak. You're going to receive the gem also, which is being given to you for your mining season. So as you can see, I just received it. So if you go back to my wallet section now, this is where the whole thing start to get interesting. This is the real coin of the project. Look at it over here. This is the real coin of the project. So but we are actually accumulating gem. So we accumulate gem from receiving from your streak. The streak of how long you have mined. They say the streak is the number of activity day is counted as the consecutive days you receive data expiration. You can only receive reward once per day, and the reward amount gradually increase based on the numbers of the active day. So as you can see, I've been active for the past 5 days, and I am now receiving 225 gem every single day. So I think this is the two ways of earning it now. What we are actually earning is gem. So after this 16-day countdown, they are going to convert our gem to the real token, which is Athene. If you go over to my wallet section, you see this one. They converted it. They converted 600 and something gem to this particular place, to this particular Athene. So, and this particular Athene, you can send and receive it from a different user. That is how to use it for now. So if you go over to the gem section over here, you see that I get from attendance, a reward from attendance, and a reward from any token. So if you scroll up a bit, you will see where it was actually converted. So they converted 666.134587 gem into this particular Athene token, as you can see it over here. So this is it for now. So that is how the project is running. For now, I will kindly advise you guys to actually try your best to mine this project now. On my next video, I'm going to show you guys more things about the project, and I will also advise nobody to go to spend any single money on this particular project. Remember, it's a new project and we're still reviewing it if it's going to turn out to be legit or scam. So this is a mining project, because if you go over to this particular mining section, you will see where they will say get an extra 300% booster. This thing is going to cost you money. I'm not saying it's going to be scam. I'm just trying to tell you guys that if you are doing it, you are doing it on your own risk. Zubi King is not in any way a financial advisor. For me, I'm not going to buy anything, even though it's very cheap, but I'm not going to buy anyone, because no mining. I have not seen a mining project that is going to ask you to use money to get to buy your way off the mining speed. But it's still legit. It can still be legit and another thing. So what I'm trying to say is, whatever you're doing in this project, bear it in mind that you are doing it on your own. So that is it for now. It's already 3 minutes and I want to cut this video. Remember, try your best to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so that you get new projects like this, which you can actually participate and earn money when they launch. Anyway, my name still remains King, and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.